Classification of layering: air layering, ground layering, including tip layering, simple layering, trench layering, mound layering or stool layering, compound layering or serpentine layering. Air layering: in air layering, roots form on an aerial shoot. The rooting medium is tied to the shoot for getting root initiation. Sphagnum moss is the best rooting medium for air layering as it holds large quantities of water till root initiation, and through root initiation and through the root development. This slide illustrates the air layering steps. Tip layering: it's generally followed in plants which have trailing type of shoots. It's quite similar to simple layering. Simple layering: in this method, branch is bent to the ground and some portion of it is covered by soil, leaving the terminal end of the branch exposed. Root initiation takes place at the bend and parent portion. After allowing sufficient time for root formation, the rooted stem is separated from the mother plant. Compound or serpentine layering: compound layering is essentially the same as the simple layering, except that the branch is alternatively covered and exposed along its length. The branch for compound layering must be long and flexible so it can be layered at different places along its length. Mound or stool layering: in this method, a plant is cut back to the ground level during the dormant season and the soil is heaped around the base of the newly developing shoots. After slowing sufficient time for root initiation, individual rooted layers are separated from the mother plant and planted. Trench layering: trench layering consists of growing a plant or a branch of a plant in a horizontal position in the base of a trench and filling in soil around the new shoots as they develop, so that the shoots' bases are etiolated. Etiolated roots develop from the base of these new shoots. Trench layering is used primarily for woody species difficult to propagate by mound layering. By now we reach the end of our session, and finally I recommend you to look over the list of references and supportive videos.